7 Brief Lessons on Physics by Carlo Rovelli is a concise and accessible exploration of key concepts in modern physics, written for a general audience. Divided into 7 chapters, each lesson delves into fundamental ideas that have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Lesson 1. Einstein's Theory of General Relativity. Rovelli introduces readers to Einstein's theory of general relativity, which transformed our understanding of gravity. He explains how gravity isn't just a force but a curvature in the fabric of space-time caused by massive objects. This lesson explores the concept of space-time and its relationship with mass and energy. Lesson 2. Quantum Mechanics. The book delves into the realm of quantum mechanics, where particles behave unpredictably and phenomena such as superposition and entanglement challenge our classical notions of reality. Rovelli introduces the uncertainty principle and the wave-particle duality, illuminating the mysterious and probabilistic nature of the quantum world. Lesson 3. The Architecture of the Cosmos. This lesson explores the makeup of the universe, from the subatomic particles to the vast cosmos. Rovelli discusses the standard model of particle physics, which describes the fundamental particles and forces that govern the universe, including the electromagnetic, weak, and strong forces. Lesson 4. Quantum Gravity. Rovelli introduces the quest for a theory of quantum gravity, which aims to reconcile general relativity and quantum mechanics. He discusses loop quantum gravity, one of the theoretical frameworks attempting to merge these two fundamental theories, and explains its implications for our understanding of the fabric of space-time at the smallest scales. Lesson 5. The Cosmological Constant. This lesson explores the nature of the cosmos and the mysteries surrounding the expansion of the universe. Rovelli introduces the concept of dark energy and the cosmological constant, which play crucial roles in the accelerating expansion of the universe, challenging previous models of its fate. Lesson 6. Black Holes. Rovelli delves into the fascinating and enigmatic entities known as black holes. He explains their formation, behavior, and the profound implications they have on our understanding of space, time, and the limits of our current physical theories. Lesson 7. The Heat of Black Holes. The final lesson explores the paradox of black holes and their thermodynamic properties. Rovelli discusses the ideas of black hole entropy, Hawking radiation, and the implications of these concepts for the nature of space, time, and information. Throughout the book, Rovelli communicates complex physics concepts in a clear and engaging manner, inviting readers to ponder the beauty and mysteries of the universe while offering insights into the cutting-edge theories that shape our understanding of reality.